Welcome to Area Bitcoin, where knowledge accelerates your sovereignty. There's a revolution going on. Money and the economy are changing and transforming the way we interact with each other. Here, you understand faster and more deeply how to be part of this new reality. In 4 years, we built the largest Bitcoin school in the world, where more than 3,000 students have opted out the traditional system, and more than 400,000 people follow our content in English and Portuguese on our platforms. Want to learn everything about Bitcoin? Area professors are the biggest references in the subject and share with you what they know through videos, articles, immersions, and workshops. Our way is didactic, interactive, and hands-on, so you can develop and put into practice. No matter which step towards sovereignty you're on, Area Bitcoin gives you the impulse and knowledge you need to move forward. We are Area Bitcoin, the largest Bitcoin school in the world. Come with us to opt out.